My passion came from when I was younger, I could have went any way. And it was people who poured into me, that invested in me, put me through school. At the end of this journey, what's going to be most remembered is the impact that you had on others. So I have to give back. Hello, I'm Regina Friesen-Jones, and I'm the CEO and co-owner of Hands-On Services of Indiana and Hands-On Haven, Inc. Both are mental health social service agencies. Our mission is to improve the overall quality of life for the families that we serve. We provide 3 home and community-based services, habilitation services.
On a day-to-day basis, I work with youth on their social skills, communication, just social engagement. When your emotions, when you get angry, explain your feeling through thoughts.
We provide FST services, which is family support, where we're providing service to the family. And we provide respite. Respite services is a short-term service that we provide for caregivers.
It's a break for the unpaid caregivers so that they're able to relax and decompress.
The majority of the youth that we serve have a serious emotional disturbance disorder. So they may be diagnosed with ADHD, bipolar, just a variety of special needs. The respite is really focused around the caregiver. Everyone doesn't have the same support system. They don't have natural supports. So that's why respite services like these are very important.
Sometimes absence is better. When this kid is around me all day doing these negative behaviors, you don't have a chance to think about the nurturing part of being a parent.
When parents are able to have that relief, they're able to be more mentally sound, because we all need a break. It allows them to get some rest, visit with friends, go grocery shopping, those simple things that we take for granted, that families with children with high needs, they struggle to have an opportunity to do because they're attending to their loved ones.
When this parent get a break, that kind of helps everybody. The kids, he look forward to getting back home with his mom and dad. Mom and dad look forward to them coming back, and they can have a new beginning.
We provide 2 forms of respite. We provide day respite, which is considered community-based respite, where we meet with youth in the community, just do something fun with them, just building a rapport, mentorship, more or less. In 2023, we opened up a facility-based respite home, and that is overnight short-term respite services. So even though they're at respite, and some people think respite is just babysitting, we do more than babysitting. We are hands-on, and we really want to work with your children. So we're working with them on socialization, peer relation skills, and coping skills. When you work with youth one-on-one, they're always going to do well, right? But when you get them in that group setting, you have a real opportunity to reflect change. So they'll have an opportunity to interact with other youth and be allowed to make mistakes where you can redirect them in these teachable moments.
The House for Respite Care at Hands-On Haven was assimilated so that children can feel like they're in a home environment. They're not going to an institution. They're going to a home so they can be comfortable and that they can be familiar. We have a kitchen, we have the upstairs and the bedroom.
We have computer labs, we have multi-purpose rooms.
We have the coping loft, we have a game room and a library and a normal family room just like any other house. And so I feel like being at a home allows children to be more comfortable.
When children are removed from their home and then they're going into a residential setting, that's more trauma for the individual. So we're trying to lessen that burden on these young people, and we want them to feel like they're at home away from home.
You know, we follow the family model of doing things. You wash your hands, you clean your plate after you eat dinner.
They do chores just as you would do at home. We have a time where we all go in and we play a game as like a family. We're playing board games, we're socializing with each other.
We also work on independent living skills So we focus on hygiene as well. We do painting, we go bowling, we have gardening. We have a partnership where all the youth here can partake in activities at the YMCA. We have chefs that come in and teach our young people how to cook as well. They can play basketball, they can play videos, and we have a library. Circle time is at the end of each day. We will gather the youth up and we'll talk about any challenges that we have had throughout the day, as well as any positive things that we do.
You won't regret sending your child to Hands on Haven. They are definitely in good hands. We are dedicated to giving back to not only the children, but the families in the community that we serve.
For families out there who need a break, who need support, Hands on Haven is here to help your family get through those hard times. Hands on Service and Hands on Haven, we're changing lives.